Calm down. It's good. Calmate. This guy's wanted in several states. You just rolled through this store. You see what you see. Do you think you could get that for free?
No.
Really? Just happened. Just happened.
What do you mean?
Not for you. My client, Joe. Tacos. What are you making? Tacos?
Yeah, tacos and carnitas.
Carnitas.
Yeah.
All right. How many tacos you want? Three? Seis. Seis tacos.
To go or?
Do you know that laundromat? Have you ever been in there? Lavanderia? You speak plenty of English. I know you do.
I don't speak English.
Yeah. Do you go to that laundromat? Have you ever been inside of it?
Yeah.
Lavanderia? Yes. There you go. Perfect. ¿Cómo se llama? What's your name?
Angelo.
Angelo?
Yeah.
All right. So you are familiar. Calm down. It's good. Calmate. I need some food. So you do laundry in this laundromat?
Yeah.
You do? Guess what? That laundromat is free.
Nah.
Yes.
No, it's like pay.
No, of course you pay to do the laundry, yes.
Yeah.
But this guy's wanted in several states.
I don't know.
All right, make my tacos.
Yeah.
Thank you. 6 tacos. I'm Danny, you're Andre.
Yes, sir.
You're a badass. What do you do for money, Andre?
I'm a chef at
Hell yeah.
Union Rescue Mission.
A. Good for you.
Okay.
Chef, yes, chef. Do you go to a laundromat every week?
Sometimes no, because I gotta wash and dry at the house. But
Okay.
sometimes
Good.
I could.
Good. You just rolled through this store.
Yes, sir.
You see what you see. I am the king of laundry, self-proclaimed, all right? A lot going on, I know. I teach, train, and mentor people how to scoop up businesses exactly like that, absolutely free. Do you think that store you just walked through, it's 3,700 square feet, there's 50 washers and 50 dryers, exactly the way that it sits, air conditioning running, people in there doing laundry, right? Do you think that you could get that store, that equipment, the change machines, the Miss Pac-Man, everything you saw, including the floor tile and the ceiling tile, do you think you could get that for free?
No.
Really? Just happened. Just happened.
What do you mean?
Not for you. My client, Joe, just scooped up that business for free. All he did is sign a lease, and you know what? He's got 12 months of free rent ahead of him. So he signs the lease, he puts pen to paper. It's unbelievable, isn't it?
It is.
And he ends up with that business and every piece of equipment in it for free. What do you think it's earning right now?
Maybe 50,000 a week.
That would be awesome.
That would be great.
That would be awesome. I like your thought process. It's actually doing $30,000 a month now, but we're going to create a much bigger net monthly and yearly, much bigger, by making some changes. But here's the point, Andre. That business that you just walked through can be had for free. What's your question? You only get one.
How?
Ha! One word. How? Freelaundromat.com. I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.